Hello dear students, you are watching online science class. We are here to present all the topics of the science from class 6 to 12. If you really like the content of our channel, please like and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the information of next video. So we are going to start our today's topic, that is the chapter number 2 of class 8, microorganism friend and foe. Dear students, we will provide the link of part 1 and part 2 of this chapter in our description section. So now let us we start about today's topics. What is the food poisoning? Food poisoning in human could be due to the consumption of the spoiled food by some microorganism. Microorganisms that grow on our food produce toxic substance and make the food poisonous and causing serious disease. So it is very important that we preserve food to prevent it from being spoiled by the microorganism. Next is the food preservation. All of you know there are different methods used for preservation of our food. Microorganisms spoiled our food. Spoiled food emits bad smell and has bad taste and change the color. Here are some common methods which are used to preserve our food in our homes. First is the chemical method. Preservative like salt and edible oil are common chemicals generally used to check the growth of microorganisms. We add salt or acid preservative to pickles to prevent the attack of microbes. Sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfate are common preservatives which are used in the jam and squash to check their spoilage. All of you know, you have you may have seen on the packet of the jam and jelly some preservative names are there which are used to check the growth of microorganisms. Next is the preservation by common salt. To preserve meat and fishes forages, common salt is used. Meat and fish are covered with dry salt to check the growth of bacteria. Salting is also used to preserve amla, raw mango and tamarinds. Next is the preservation by sugar. Sugar is used to preserving the jams and jellies and squares are preserved. It reduces the moisture content which inhibit the growth of the bacteria which spoil our food. So it is very important that sugar reduce this moisture content of the food due to which the growth of the bacteria inhibits. Now next is the preservation by oil and vinegar. Oil and vinegar are used to prevent spoilage of pickles because bacteria cannot live in such an environment. Vegetables, fruit, fish and meat are often preserved by this method. Boiling of milk kills many microorganisms. After that, it is stored or used. We keep our food in refrigerator. Low temperature inhibit the growth of microbes. Generally, we are seeing that we boil the milk and place our food items inside the fridge to keep them safe from the attack of microorganisms. Next is the pasteurized milk. All of you have seen the packet milk which we buy in our market. This is pasteurized milk. Pasteurized milk can be taken without boiling as it is free from harmful microbes. The milk is heated about 70 degrees Celsius for 50 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. By doing so, the process prevents the growth of microbes. This process was discovered by Louis Pasteur. Very important. Please be remember the name of the scientist who have discovered the pasteurization. It is called pasteurization. Next is the storage and packing. All of you have may purchase different type of the food item from the market. Dry foods and even vegetables are sold in sealed airtight packet to prevent the attack of microbes. So these are the some common methods which are used to check the growth of the microorganism in our food items. Nitrogen fixation. Rhizobium is involved in the fixation of nitrogen in leguminous plant. All of you have read this, that this bacteria is found in the root of leguminous plant to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Nitrogen also get fixed through the action of lightning, but some amount of nitrogen remain constant in the atmosphere. All of you know the total amount of nitrogen in atmosphere is 78%. So how this remain constant? This we will read further. This is known by the nitrogen cycle. Dear student, this is nitrogen cycle. This is very important because generally in examination this asks to draw the nitrogen cycle and explain about them. So what is the nitrogen cycle? The total amount of the nitrogen in atmosphere is 78%. All of you know. First, this is the first step. Please see. Atmospheric nitrogen get fixed by the lightning. Generally, the lightning is occurred in rainy season, lightning and thunderstorm. Due to this lightning, this gaseous nitrogen get fixed into the compound of the nitrogen in the soil. In second step, so see, this is the second step. In second step, nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae fix the gaseous nitrogen. They have to fix the gaseous nitrogen in compound of nitrogen. So by the second method, once again, the atmospheric nitrogen get fixed into the soil. Now the plant will uptake this nitrogen from the soil and used in different process to make the different type of the plant product which having the protein. Now this plant is taken by the animal. Plant products are taken by the animals. So the nitrogen is transferred from plant to animal. Next, after the death and decay of the plant and animal product, once again the nitrogenous waste from excretion of death and decay get decomposed by the decomposing bacteria and fix inside the soil. So this is the cycle in which the plants and animals are involved. Now the bacteria, what the bacteria is doing? Once again this bacteria will change the compound of the nitrogen into the gaseous nitrogen, and the gaseous nitrogen get changed into the atmospheric nitrogen. So dear student, in this way the whole of the nitrogen in atmosphere remain constant, and this is known as the nitrogen cycle. Please try to make this nitrogen cycle by yourself and learn all the process of nitrogen cycle. Now this is the another form of the nitrogen cycle. We have just represent here nitrogen cycle with the help of the pictorial diagram. This is same as a previous cycle. Just see dear students, this is the atmospheric nitrogen. The amount of nitrogen is remain constant throughout the cycle. Now first of all, this atmospheric nitrogen goes into the root of the leguminaceae plant. All of you know, in the root of leguminaceae plant, rhizobium bacteria occur, which help to fix the atmospheric nitrogen into the compound of nitrogen. Just see, in this root of the leguminaceae plant, this help to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Now see the next step. This step, in this step, nitrogen fixing soil bacteria do the process of the ammonification and convert it into the ammonium. The formula of ammonium is NH4 plus. You will read detail of this formula structure in next class. Now the process of the nitrification occur, in which nitrifying bacteria convert this ammonia into the nitrites. Okay, now the nitrifying bacteria once again convert nitrite into nitrates. Just see the difference of the formula of nitrite and nit nitrates and nitrite. Nitrites having NO2 minus and nitrate having NO3 plus. So you will read detailed structure of this chemical formula in your next classes. Now the process of the assimilation occur, in which this compound of the nitrogen, that is a nitrates, is absorbed by the plant. Now plant use this nitrogen form to form different type of the products inside the plant, such as seeds and pulses. Now the animal will take the plant product, and after the death of the animal, this the process of decomposition occur with the help of aerobic and anaerobic bacteria and fungi. This will convert the amount of the nitrogen which occur in the protein of the animals into the soil. Once again, this nitrogen is absorbed by the plant. So this is the same cycle as previously we have seen in nitrogen cycle. So see, in next process, in the decomposer convert the nitrogen in ammonia, ammonium, and ammonium convert into nitrites, nitrite convert into nitrates, and nitrates is absorbed by the plant. So all of these are the cyclic process of conversion of the nitrogen. Now this is the another step in which a denitrifying bacteria convert nitrates into gaseous form of the nitrogen. Just see, this is same as the previous cycle of the nitrogen. Just we are going to represent here with the help of the pictures. So then you can either do the practice with the help of this figure or previous nitrogen cycle figure, because the basic concept of both of the figure are same. Now the nitrogen cycle are explained in a such a way. Nitrogen is one of the essential constituents of all living organisms, as a part of protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid, and vitamins available 78% in our environment. All of you know about this. Bacteria and blue-green algae present in the soil for fixing nitrogen from the atmosphere and then convert it to compound of nitrogen. After this, usable compound can be utilized by plant from the soil through their root system. These compounds are then used for the synthesis of plant protein and other compound. Animal feeding on the plant get these protein and the other nitrogen compounds. So this is the another form of the nitrogen cycle which we have learned with the help of the diagram. When plant and animals, dyes, bacteria, and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogenous compound to be used by the plant again. Certain other bacteria convert some part of them into nitrogen gas which goes back into the atmosphere. As a result, percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remain more or less constant. So this is the explanation of nitrogen cycle. Many students find difficulty to explain the nitrogen cycle in language form. So these are the very important and better explanation of nitrogen cycle. So try to learn the all the three steps of nitrogen cycle. This will help to gain more and more knowledge and marks in your examination. Okay dear students, thanks for watching complete video. Today we have finished the second chapter of class 8, that is microorganism friend and foe. Dear students, please like and subscribe our channel. We will meet again with our next chapter. Thanks all of you.